Hi everyone, it's Ann here. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you. Yep, I did some shopping. I got the Looney Tunes Tweety Bird. This is Tweety Bird. They have these like little stuffies, and they had a lot of Looney Tune characters. Now I really wanted Sylvester the cat, but I did not find him. But I did find Tweety, so I got Tweety, and I think these are going to be toys for my cats. So that I got. I saw these Dr. Seuss bookmarks, and I love Dr. Seuss. Who doesn't? So I picked these up. I thought these might be fun to have if I make some sort of journal, or maybe in a scrapbook, or something. I don't know. I just picked that up because I thought maybe, yeah. I have pictures of me and the kids going to Dr. Seuss land in what was that theme park in Florida? Not Disney, the other one. Oh my goodness, I can't remember things. Okay. Got this cell phone case. It's clear, actually. It's clear, and it's got this funky chain on it. And what else did I pick? Oh, they had the Cosmic Crayola crayons. There's 8 in here, and it says works on light and dark paper. So I wanted to check out these colors. I don't have any like this. What's so special about cosmic crayons? I'm not so sure. Do they do anything? Well, they look like they have like a shimmer on them. Maybe they work better on dark papers. On white paper, they just seem to be... Oh, no, I see it. Okay, there's a shimmer. They have a shimmer. Oh, they're shimmery wax crayons. Okay. Oh, these might be fun to use. These are probably left over from the fall, but they seem to have a lot at my store. These are a cupcake kit, and I like this leaf pattern. I got that. I got the cute little string lights. I got the pink kitty cat. These might be cute. For journaling, collage, and stuff, I got this set of card games, kids card games. There's like a matching Go Fish and hearts. I got it because there's usually cute little images that can be used for collage and junk journals and stuff like that. Yeah, see these. This is the hearts game, and it's got these cute little animals on there. So hopefully I'll be using that. And this one is, there's matching Go Fish and a hearts. So, yep, that'll be fun. And, oh, I also got this set of card games. Shapes and Colors, 1, 2, 3 is a matching game. So it's another matching game. And Build a Word. So, that. They had this cute little box, and it has a unicorn on the front, and it's thinner than the regular pencil boxes. It's quite a nice size. It would be great to hold pencils. And I just thought it was a nice shape and size for storing supplies, either some pens, pencils, even maybe some paper quilling tools type of thing. So, this bling, these gem stickers were new to me. I thought these were interesting. They're like rectangle shape. Got that. This was the only one at my store. It's from the Fairy Garden collection, the figurines, and this one is a little fairy. She's actually swinging. She's on a leaf swing on a tree, and it did chip. I did drop it in the store, and it seemed to have chipped a piece, and the package was stapled, and yeah, so could have been in better shape, but it was the only one like this. So I thought for $1.50, $1.50. Yes, we pay $1.50. Crazy. A few new to me items. I got Figaro, the little cat from Disney Junior Minnie Mouse's cat, Figaro. Figaro is also the cat in Pinocchio. And well, since now I have little tuxedo cats, I'm all into tuxedo cats. So I got that. I got this phone pocket. These are handy to put on the back of your cell phone so you can slip your credit cards. I use that on my case on this phone. I have an old one here, and I'm able to put all my cards. I like it a lot. From Jot, they have these grips, these pen and pencil grips. Pen and pencil grips, I use these also on my diamond art dotting tools. I'll use these on crochet hooks. I'll use these, of course, on pens and pencils. And there's quite a few things that I find these are useful for. So not besides pencils. So I got a package of that. I like the colors. The colors are quite lovely. This item is new to me. They say it's a nail polish applicator. And for the life of me, I was like, how is this a nail polish applicator? Well, from the description in the back, apparently you tuck in, squeeze in, force in, whatever, the top of the nail polish bottle into this part, so you have I think it's so you get a better grip on the bottle. So instead of holding, let's see if I can show you. Okay, well, this is not a nail polish bottle, but you know, like if you have a little, I guess if you have issues with your hands, this might help. It's like it's big, and you would stick like the nail polish bottle in there. Oh, look at that, it goes in. So then you could, oh, I see, yeah, so you get a better control maybe, especially if you have hand issues. Okay. Oh, there we go. That's what that's for. I picked up some colorful index cards. I was running low. I picked up the fabric gift bags for Valentine's Day. You get 2 this size. They're 9 by 7 inches. And I also got a package of the small ones. These are 4 by 6 inches, and you get 3. Got some heart doilies. You get 30, and I like the color. But these I use mostly in paper crafting. These, I couldn't resist these stickers. They look so lovely. I love these teacups. Puffy stickers, and they're shimmery, and look at the fork and spoon. Oh, they're so cute. I also picked up these stickers. They're puffy as well, and they have a lot of texture. And they call these tile border gems. Okay, so that's, I guess, the intention. You can make a tile border around something. I also thought that these might make great texture stamps for the gel plate. Okay, so I got doubles, I think. And the other design I got is this one. So they're very raised textures. To me, I'm sure these would make great impressions on the gel plate. So I'll try that. I got these stickers mainly because of the typewriter and bicycle, but they're like a felt. I think they're felt stickers. Very pretty, I thought. Look at the mug. Not just for Valentine's Day, because there's these things, so many of these things can be used at any time of year. And, oh, these ones. They're little kitties. These I did get for Valentine's Day. Look at that. They're so cute with kitty cats and they're, yeah, I think they're a felt. They're very thin felt-like sticker with red foil. That. Got these resin accents. This one is some leaves and little trees. And this one was the cacti. And oh, this was on an end cap. So I don't know if it would be on an end cap in your store or maybe with the nail polish stuff or the beauty makeups. They have this nail art tape. It's only 0.03 inches wide. It is so skinny. It's amazing. And they have it in metallic silver. And they also have it in gold, which I got. I just can't see it right now. But I just thought this, if you're into nail art, this is pretty a good find. But also good in your planners, also good for decorating any paper craft you're doing. So that was a fun find. Oh, here it is. There's the gold. So yeah, my store had metallic silver, metallic gold. I do not know if there are any other colors. Comment down below if you've seen other colors, but I just thought this was a great find for those for people who like to do nail art and any crafting really. I also got a box of the glitter crayons. I just like to have different kinds of crayons when I'm doing backgrounds or playing in my art journals. Oh, and here are the Zoom Zooms, the Disney Zoom Zooms, those little stuffies. I got a Tigger, and I got, oh God, I can't remember the name of this cat. I think this is Marie. Yeah. So, of course, I love cats, so any cat toy I can get, I would do. And I think I will give these to the kitties to play with. Oh, and now check out these socks. I got these socks. They're kitty cats. So there's kitty cat, and he's floating kitty cat with a heart balloon. Oh, and there's fishbone and kitty in love with a ball of yarn, and oh, so I had to get those socks. I needed some of the larger index cards, so I got these, and they're cheaper at Dollarama. They're 25 cents cheaper at Dollarama, so heads up on that. Oh, these markers. I really like these gel pens. They write really well. They're very sparkly. So, yeah, I had the ones I had are used up and dry. One's all dried up. Then I didn't even use it; just dried. So I got some more. And last but not least, they had a lot of these tubes of glass seed beads. I mean, a lot. They had tons of this clear and white and tons of black. And the other color they had was a green, orange, and like yellow. And that's it. My store had tons of those colors. So I just always like to stock up on the clear and white because I have there's multiple uses for these in projects. And yeah, it says they're great for beading and jewelry. And oh, if you look at the back, they have some great project ideas. Wow, those are really, really intricate. But yeah, I won't be doing that. So I think this is a good deal, considering you get 26 grams in each tube for $1.50. And they are glass. So yeah, I think that's a pretty good deal for crafting. here's the last item I have to show you. They have this. This is where they have the bridal baby shower items. This is called a personalized banner. The brand details and accessories. There are 13 pieces. You can make a 7-foot long garland, and there are 13 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I guess there's 7 pieces of banner. There's stickers, letters, and there's ribbon to tie it up. But what I'm going to open it. What I bought it for the supply itself, for the material, because this, you don't have to make a banner, but you can make a banner. But I just thought this might be really pretty in junk journals or any type of journaling. So you get, let me count them for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you actually get 13 pieces of these flags or tags or whatever, and they're they're cardboard, a very thin cardboard, like packaging cardboard, but they have this pretty print, and then they have these sheets of stickers, and these are the size of the letters. They're pretty good. So you get basically 2 of each letter, 2 or 3 of each letter of the whole alphabet in this rosy color. So I think this is a great buy for just using for supplies for our crafting. And then there's a little piece of satin ribbon. So that's it for my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you found something in here that inspires you to get your craft on, and I'm certainly inspired, and now I have to find a place to put all this stuff away. Oh my goodness. Do you have that problem? You find all these things, you come home, and then it's like, where am I gonna put it all? Okay, well, take care everyone. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care of yourself. And until next time, stay crafty. Thanks for watching. Bye.